So let's just see how we can build URLs using regular expression in Express. So here we're just simply using /about/. Instead of that, we can use regular expressions and we can define patterns, and those patterns should match. So let's just define /users/ and let's just use some dynamic ID, so :id. Now suppose we want only the ID to contain digits from 0 to 9. So we can use this regular expression, and we want one or more digits, so we are using this plus. So this URL will only match the IDs with one or more digits. So here the ID must contain one or more digits from 0 to 9, and then we're just gonna send back user ID, and let's just print the ID, use the request.params.id. Similarly also we can use /username/. Now here we can use regular expression to define the pattern of the username. So we can use $name, and we want the name to contain the letters from A to Z and capital A to Z. And then we're gonna use this plus, so we want the name to contain one or more letters from small a to z or capital A to Z. And then we're just gonna respond back with the username, print request.params.name. So we have defined two routes with the regular expression patterns. So let's now test them. So nodemon index. So our server is started. So let's now open the Thunder client, and we're gonna create one new request. So we're gonna use the get method, localhost 3000/users, and then we have to provide the ID contains 0 to 9 /users/. So let's just pass 1 2 3 4 and click on send. So you can see user ID 1 2 3 4. So this regular expression URL is working fine. So let's now use this URL. So we have to go to localhost/username/. Now we have to provide the name containing one or more letters. So let's just pass John and click on send. So you can see we're getting the response username John. So this way we can pass any other name like Sam, and this will work fine. But suppose we send some username which also contains digits like Sam123. So in that case, you can see we are getting this error 404 not found. So we are getting this error because the username containing the digits which does not match the regular expression that we have defined here. Similarly, in case of this ID also, so if we go to /users/ some ID like 123, it is working fine. But if we provide some letters also, in that case we are getting this error 404 not found, because this ID does not match with this regular expression that we have provided. Now in the next video we're gonna see how we can handle this problem by using wildcard routes. So this is the way we can use regular expression in the URL to handle routes with complex pattern defined, and it gives us more control over the URLs and the parameters. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.